Everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, what is the highest limit of Lazypay? You see, based on the information available, Lazypay offers different credit limits depending on the service being used and the user's profile. From the standard Lazypay Pay Later service, the initial credit limit can be up to 10,000. However, by completing your KYC, that is know your customer verification, and demonstrating good repayment behavior, your credit limit on the Lazypay platform can be increased. Research results indicate that this enhanced limit can go up to 1 million or 5 lakhs. Now you see, for express personal loans offered to the Lazypay platform, the stated maximum loan amount is 5 lakhs. Therefore, the highest possible limit you might access to Lazypay, particularly for personal loans of an enhanced payment limit, pay later limit after KYC, is 5 lakhs. It's important to note that the actual credit limit provided to an individual is subject to their eligibility, creditworthiness, and Lazypay's internal policies. Hope you found this video helpful.